Hi teachers, this video is to kind of give you some tips and tricks on how to use Canva if you already do. And if you don't, then this will also kind of introduce what Canva can do for your classroom, and how I use it is what I'll be showing you today. So if you have a Harmony email, then you are able to access Canva through your portal. If not, then I can also help you create an account. After this video if you do need some assistance making an account. So on Canva, it is a very unique platform. You can kind of create anything that you want. You can make posters, newsletters, worksheets, documents. You can use it as a presentation, like an alternative to a PowerPoint. If you have a Cricut, I know a lot of people use it as well to make their designs and their logos and things like that. But today I'm going to teach you how to use it in your classroom. So one really important way I use it is to make our weekly newsletters for homework and worksheets. So I usually go ahead and click on worksheet, and it's just a blank worksheet, but Canva does have a lot of templates that you can select from. So if you look on my left-hand side, you will see all of the templates. And as an educator, you do get access to premium templates for you. And some different tools as well. So if you wanted to do labels, you wanted to make a cover sheet for your binder, your folder, you can see all of these here. Lesson plans, meet the teacher. I am going to go ahead and select, I'm going to do a newsletter. And this is what we use to send out homework. So I'm going to go ahead and click the first one, and when you click it, it will automatically put it on your blank document. And here you can go ahead and edit anything that you want. You can tell your parents exactly what you're doing, events that are coming up. You can change colors and all of those things. Another cool thing that I've learned, since I do have an educator account, that for images that you get off the internet, I'm going to give you an example. I'm going to go and find a rainbow. And when you find this image, sometimes they have a background. It'll be white. As an example, for this one right here, I'm going to right click it. Actually, no, I'm going to go ahead and select this one right here. This one has a white background. And sometimes when you get a white background, you do not want it anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it on my document. And you can see how it does have white. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the image, and this right here, it says BG remover, that actually removes the background. If you click it, it will delete the entire background, and you will have the option to just use the image. You just have to be careful because you will be able to move all the other elements of your document. So now I am able to have this rainbow without the white background anymore. This is something that I did not know we had access to, but I've messed around with it a lot. So if you did not know that this was there and you do have a premium account, you are able to use the background remover option. What we do in pre-K 4 is we create our newsletter, and then we attach our worksheets underneath, and then we can create a packet. So if you click on next page, and I am looking for a homework assignment, I'm going to go ahead and type in letter A, worksheet. Whoops. And you have access to all different kinds of worksheets. I'm going to go ahead and select this first one. All you have to do is click it, and then your worksheet is ready. And then you can click on the next page, and it is easy to create a packet. And let's say I wanted to do the number 1 now. And there we go. We have our worksheet that's all together. To export it or download it, sometimes it does give you, it's a little bit tricky, so you have to be very careful because they're going to try and get you to print it with them. So you just click on share at the top right corner and download, and you're going to download it how you want it. You can have it as an image, a PDF, a video. So it just depends on how you want it. I usually do PDF print, and then you can select what pages you want. and anything like that. And then I just click download, and then it will download it to your computer, and then it should pop up at the top right that when it's ready to access. And once it pops up, and then you will have your packet that is ready and easy for you to print. So this is one way to use Canva in your classroom. You could also use it to create signatures for your email, cards. You can do awards for your children at the end of the school year. So I'll give you an example of some awards. This is what we do for pre-K 4 when we are getting closer to the end of the year. You are able to look for awards. Let's see if I can find any. We have let me see. All right, there are our awards. So you are able to adjust them. So we have this one right here. This is an example of an award that somebody's going to give their teacher. But you can definitely go back and we can go ahead and look for the awards. It might just be on a different page, which is totally okay. I'm going to go back to projects, and then at the top, I'm going to look for certificates. Oops, not my content. And you can have all of these templates, any of these certificates. Once you find the certificate that you would like to use, then you would just go ahead and click on customize your template. And then you are able to create any kind of certificate of recognition, perfect attendance, star reader, star learner. You can edit all of these and personalize them to your liking. This is just 2 ways that you can use Canva. If you have any other questions, I am gladly to help you. Just let me know, and I can definitely see what it is that you need help with. You could also use this as, I know this is a side note, you could also use it for invitations, things like that. It's very, very easy, and there are already many different type of templates that you can use. You just have to find the one that works for your event or your classroom, whatever it is that you're doing. Again, if you have any questions, just send me a message and I can definitely help you.